Okay, here's the Taranis X7S, and let's see how to reset it to default settings. If you have multiple models here in the model list, then those will be gone after you reset the radio. Okay, so to reset it to default settings, long press the menu button. Okay, now currently we are on the first page out of 9, and press the page button to go to the 5th page. Okay, and here it says menu, long press, and that would be a factory reset. So long press the menu button, erase all, enter or exit. So we are going to enter, and now it's erasing formatting. Okay, now it's asking us to calibrate everything, so let's press enter to start. Okay, it says set sticks midpoint, and then press enter. So I'm going to set this one. I don't know exactly. I think now it's in the middle. That one is in the center. That's centered automatically. Set the potentiometers also to center. If you take a look here at this one, it's slightly to the right a little bit, so it's a little bit like that. So I set it that one also a little bit to the right. Okay, and press enter when done. Move sticks and potentiometers, and then enter. I'm not going to press these sticks all the way to the corners with force, because in that way it will behave a little bit different. So I pressed it gently to the first contact only. Okay, and those are in the center. Let's move them. Now it's showing it at the maximum value, but this one is in the middle only. And now it disappears. Now it's in the middle. Now it's at the maximum. So now these are calibrated also to the left and to the maximum to the right. Now that one is also working well. Okay, so accept it, and that's it. Both of them are exactly in the center. And these are working also exactly as they should. These lines go to the top. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.